Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Okay, so today you are doing training with the DLCs, okay, all in our Google Classrooms and Google Apps with a few extra resources for our toolboxes thrown in. Okay, so where do we start? We're going to open up Chrome. We're going to go to google.com and go over here to your apps menu or your waffle, whatever you call it. Okay, and now keep in mind, for those of you that are new to Google or you're still not really sure where to find everything, this is where you find everything, okay? So it is housed right here. This is where it lives all the time. Okay, so every Google app you want to use is always going to be here. So for me right now, I'm looking for Google Classroom. You just click on Classroom. It's going to pop up. If you're on a personal computer, it might keep switching your account. Okay, so once this loads up, you're going to go to this little plus sign right here, and you are going to join a class. Okay, so let me see. Right here. Okay, so I'm going to give everybody just a couple of seconds to put this code in. Okay, if I've already started moving too quickly for you, hit pause. You can do that. Okay, if you just realized you're supposed to be doing this with me, hit pause. Okay, that's okay. All right, go ahead and type that code in. Okay, and then you should be here in the CMS Digital Learning Resources classroom. Okay, so this is where Rebecca Sendejo, our technology lady, and April Taylor, our librarian and also DLC, puts resources in for teachers. Okay, so you have your topics over here, things that they have posted since we closed schools in March. And today you're going to be right here under Teacher in Service, under Training with DLCs. Okay, now whenever you click on this, or even whenever your students click on this, and this is just important information, okay, this right here is always the teacher's copy. Okay, so that means if they click right here, they can't complete any work in it because it's the teacher's copy. Okay, so they always have to go into the assignment and click View Assignment, and then this is their copy. All right, so you're going to click on, oh, I clicked out of it, sorry. Okay, so you're going to click on the presentation, and it's going to open, and there's a video to get you started. All right, have fun today.